Hi guys, I'm Advocate Sanjay Arya from Lexis and Company. Today I will be discuss about the Supreme Court refuse to certain appeals by 14 political parties alleging misuse of CBI ED against the opposition. The bench of Chief Justice of India, Jay Chanchud and Justice P.S. Narsimha and the J.B. Pardiwal said that the political leaders do not enjoy an immunity higher than common clients. Let's we start what judgment was passed in the Supreme Court on Wednesday refusing to entertain appeal by the 14 political party allegedly that the central government led by the Bharatiya Janata Party was misusing central agency like a Central Bureau of Investigation CBI and Enforcement Directorate ED against the leader of opposition party Indian National Congress versus Union of India. The bench of Chief Justice of India, Jay Chanchud and Justice J.B. Pardiwal said the political leader do not enjoy any immunity higher than common citizen. So, someone collect crores from the common pensioner, not payment made, and so multiple FIRs are filed. And the case comes here. Can we say that there can be no arrest here? Once we accepted that political leaders are absolutely no same footing as a common citizen with no higher immunity, then how can we say there can be no arrest unless there is a progress test which is satisfied? The best demanded the court further said that the petitioner were trying to get the court to frame guidelines by the extrapolating satisfied. You are trying to extrapolate the statistics into a solid legal guideline. So now this statistic only related to the politician CGI Chandrachud said. The bench further said that anyone who is individually aggrieved can approach the High Court by availing remedy under the law, but there cannot be any generally guidelines without the accounting for the fact of individual cases. How can we start laying down guidelines in the abstract contents? Laying down generally guidelines deharrow. The fact of the case cannot be done. If the individual come to us, then the law can be laid down as a higher court of the country. It is in contest facts of the case and also a general law, but we needed to have fact in case of group of case, the court said. Sorry, we cannot entertain this bench added. The petitioner then sought a permission to withdraw the appeals, which was allowed by the court. The petition was filed by the Indian National Congress, Darvida Mountain, Rashtriya Janata Dal, Bharatiya Rashtra Samiti, All Indian Trinamool Congress. Petitioner content has been the alarming rises in the use of proceeds criminal process against the opposition party leader and other citizens exercising their fundamental rights to dissent and disagree with the union government. Investigation agencies such as the CBI and EDI are being increasingly deployed in a selective and targeted manner with their view to completely crush political dissent. Pending the fundamental permission of the representative democracy, it was submitted. The petitioner also shed light on the following statistic of buttering their claim. The action rate in terms of the complaint filed following the rates reducing from the 93% in 2014 to 90% in 2014 to 2020. Only 23 convicted have been secured as have now under the Prevention of the Money Laundering Act, despite a rising in the number of cases registered by the ED firm 209 in 2013 से 14 तक to 9081 2021 and 1180 in 2021 to 22. Between the 2022 and 2014, of the 72 politician leaders investigated by the CBI, 43 under a 60% were from the opposition of the time. Now the figure is over 95%. The ED investigation proportion of opposition leader from the total number of politicians investigate roses from 54% before 2014 to 95% after 2014. The petitioner therefore sought guidelines to fulfill and release the guidelines of the personal liability under Article 21 of Constitution for all the citizens, including this target for the exercising their right to politician dissent and from the performance their duties as the political opposition. Were arrested and demand. The petitioner appeared for the triple test to be used by the police officer, ED officially, and could alike for the arrested or presence in any conjugal offence, exceptional those involving serious body violence. Where these conditions are not satisfied, like the introduction at or at the most were arrested be used to meet the demanded of investigation. And thank you so much guys. I hope you will be the like it.